What's up, YouTube family? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Tyler if you're new. So today's video, I wanted to give you guys a look around my apartment. I love watching apartment tours here on YouTube, but I always find that they're always really luxurious, and I just wanted to show you guys how I create a luxurious feel in my regular schmegular apartment. So I hope you guys like this video and it give you an idea of where to start. So if you are interested, just continue to watch, and yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Right, so when you first enter my apartment, you're going to obviously get the entryway area. Into the side, I have my coat closet that I use for miscellaneous things, so I'm not even going to get into all of that. And to the side here, I have my kitchen and dining room area. It's pretty small, but it's only me, so it's completely fine. Walking more towards the kitchen, I have two vases here that's set aside on the counters because I wanted to fill the space in so it wouldn't look so blank. And the vases have like this gold broken shattered glass effect, but I do believe it is a ceramic vase and some type of woodsy thing going on here. It's gold effects on there, like gold sparkle, but I don't know if you guys can see it. And this is a random candle that I have from Home Goods. I love Home Good candles, they burn really well. And at the top of my refrigerator, I just have a plant just to give a more fresh look in the kitchen. And here is a door. It is nothing in there besides like my brooms, mops, and stuff because it's a utility closet. I could make it into a pantry, but I'm not going to do that. So on this side, I have these lights that I got from at home and put underneath the cabinet because I do like to have a more lit up area. And I just have like my toaster and blender and can opener from whenever I'm cooking there, and a dishwasher. And obviously, you know, you have a sink, and I have a stopper and like sponges in the holder that I got from Home Goods, and obviously like dishwashing liquid. And so this is my dining area. I wanted to keep it pretty simple just because the space is so small. So on the wall, I have a circle mirror that I got from Home Goods. I really like this mirror. It's gold plated and it has like these dots embossed into the middle, and I think it just gives it a different look. And on the dining table, I have it set. I do like a set dining table. I don't know if I'm all like over that, but I have a shiny tablecloth over this table just because the table is wood underneath and it really wouldn't match or what I was going for. So what I have set on the table is obviously plate mats that I got from Home Goods. It's like a woven type of material, and the plates that I have on here is from Target, and it's the Hearth in Hand collection. I really like the plates, but I do want something more of like a cream or white feel, so I will probably be changing those out really soon. And this vase is really old actually. It's a silver vase and I just painted it, so I did a little DIY project and created like texture. I absolutely love this vase. It's RH inspired, and I just have like pampas grass that I got from Home Goods in the vase, and I had to cut the pampas because it was really tall. And obviously we just have my laundry area that I just have like a bunch of junk in here honestly, but obviously a washer and dryer that's side by side, cat toys, washing detergent, and a few candles that I have left over that I have yet to burn, and like some old home decor. This is the view from my living room by the laundry area. So obviously I have two couches here. One of them actually was given to me by my brother, so that's a funny story on how I ended up with two of the same couches. So to go ahead and start off, I'm just going to show you what's on the couch. So I have like 5 pillows on this couch. I like being really comfortable, so I like lay on like 2 of them. But I got these pillows from Home Goods. It's like a well, actually I got this pillow from At Home, and it's like a metallic gold finish, bronzy finish. I really like it. And then I have like, you know, a regular black pillow and a couple of smaller pillows in front of it. And once you pan out here, I have like this art wall that I once you walk over, I have these end tables. They match, and I have 2 pictures of myself. Yes, because I paid the cost to be the boss in here, so don't judge me. And I actually love the modern look, but I also like glam too. So this is my way of adding glam into the home with the crystal lamps. And yes, it's pretty. I got all of this from Home Goods, everything on this table. Also, the basket come from Home Goods. I like baskets just because you get to add like blankets and like throw them in there so the blankets won't be all over the place. And you can come more towards this way, and I will see that I have a candle that I got from Target. I basically just got it because it says September on it, and I'm a Virgo, and I thought it was cute, so I'm probably never ever gonna burn it. But I also got this base from At Home, this candle holder from At Home. So it's the ceramic base right there. And I have these 2 books that I'm probably going to paint that I got from Dollar Tree. So it was obviously $1. The oil diffuser is also from At Home. And the Peace Finger is from Home Goods. And I believe that bar is from Home Goods. I got that like maybe 2 years ago and just never got rid of it. So I thought I'd do something with it, and that's what I chose to do. Love these curtains. They're life. I wish you guys can see the real light texture. They kind of go with the flow of the pillows, of being like that metallic velvety texture that I really like. You have a full body mirror that I have actually on an easel to make it taller and give it more support. And then I just have like a plant that I got from At Home. It was $50. I still have the tag on it because I am lazeballs. So once you come over to the side, I just have my 65-inch Vizio TV that I got from Target on a TV stand that is from IKEA. I'll link anything that I can in the description bar below. But under here, I just have like a tray that I got from At Home. And I have a book that I got from Dollar Tree as well. A candle that I got from Home Goods, and a fave sign that I got from At Home. See the bar area again. And you're gonna see these 2 cute little candle holders. I love the way it looks and how it sparkles. It gives the effect of that, but it matches the mirror over there. And then we have the Fiji White Sand candle that I got from Bath and Body Works. And in my bowl, I just have like my car keys, lighters for candles, and things like that. We also have this room spray that's called Vanilla and Out. It smells really good. And then I have my Echo Show that's for my Alexa ring. And this space is just my beauty room area. So I have a desk from IKEA, so is that chair. I originally did not want the drop box form of the desk, but it's the only one they had, so I just had to go ahead and get it because I needed it. And I have my makeup chair for my clients, a really old lamp that I have from Target, a candle that is from Home Goods, a few of my brushes, and a girl boss sign that I got from Home Goods, and a mirror that I got from Home Goods as well. My ring light, and a picture that says life is short, your lashes shouldn't be, and a pink ottoman, and a very old dusty crusty chair that I need to get rid of. I am looking for something to actually put in this area right here that's big enough to cover this electric box because it's really ugly. This is down my hallway. You pretty much just wanted to create an entryway feel in my hallway just to fill the space. I didn't want it to be too blank. So on the wall I have a white canvas art that is filled with like silver and gold glitter that goes with my mixed metallic feel. And on the table, it is a gold clawfoot table that I got for around $60 at HomeGoods. And I just have like this bouquet arrangement that is from At Home. The base is from At Home. The love symbol is also from HomeGoods. And the candle holder is from At Home. And I also have a oil diffuser from Target, the Threshold, I believe in coconut and honey. I like to have a wisp of that when I walk past. But in here is just the bathroom. It's pretty boring, pretty standard. Nothing in here really. I just have like my hygiene stuff, a couple of products that I use for my skincare. A lot of my skincare is actually in my shower. I have these towels that are from At Home. This shower curtain is from Target, I believe. And another Etsy print. I put hella holes in this wall. And once you come out the bathroom, obviously you get a better view of this little nook area. This little door area that you obviously just put tissue, towels and things like that in. And to the side you get the master bedroom, which is my room. I was going for a hotel feel when I was designing the room. My bed is actually from Wayfair. I 100% regret buying a black bed, just because that was my original thing when I moved into the place, but that's not what I'm going for any longer. But I have this really old chair from Walmart that I just never got rid of, and to fill the space I just put it there. And I have a throw from HomeGoods that's really soft and comfortable. This candle holder is also from HomeGoods, and I in here that's not going to be staying. It's going to actually go back into my beauty room just because it matches the desk in there. I just haven't found one that I like. And on top of the nightstand, which is from IKEA, I have my MacBook, my phone that is charging, a lamp that you just touch and it comes on, and it's a really modern lamp. I like it a lot. And a candle from HomeGoods that I really like. It's Red Leaf Home and it smells really good. So I have two of the same side mirrors on the wall that I got from At Home for $50 a pop. So pretty much what I was trying to do with the artwork is tie in the black from my bed just so it will go. So I found these pictures from HomeGoods that were like $60 that came in a pack, and it gives that modern feel as well. And once you come down, more bedding is a duvet cover that I got from Target from the Hearth and Hand collection, which is Joanna and Chip Gang's collection. It's a really nice fabric, and I really like it a lot, especially if you're like me and you get hot. A duvet cover is perfect. It doesn't give like the cheaper look of a blanket. But I have like pillows that I got from HomeGoods, and also this throw that I got from HomeGoods that's from DKNY. And I have this black and brown rug that is from At Home that I got for like $60. It's a 5x7 rug, so it's a really good price. If you shop, you know that rugs are expensive, but also once again I wanted to tie in the black and browns, to go with the bed. And on this side, I do not want multiple nightstands in my room, so I love a good palm leaf tree, and it's really tall and big that I got from Michael's. Actually I got it on a 50% off sale. This originally was like $200, but I got it for $100, and it's really nice and looks like, look how perfect, like little cuts in it. And I had this old pot that I had from a real plant that died, so I just went ahead and put it in there. And I may be hanging up like curtains and stuff, but I'm not sure yet. And to the side, I have this really old mirror Target that I got a really good deal on. They had it marked to the wrong price, so I literally got this mirror that was originally like $80 or $90 for 39 bucks. So to the side of that, this is not the original layout of my room at all. So I plan to have this TV mounted in the cube organizer to be put in my closet. So this is temporary. I literally have like my mount and everything. I'm just looking for somebody to do it. But I got this 50-inch Vizio from Best Buy, I believe. So here's the closet. It is a walk-in closet, but it's nothing in here, so I don't really want to show you guys. But here's another overview of my room. And that's it for this video.